channel. So in this video, it is a curly hair video. Yes, you guys, I am trying to do better with my curly hair for my curly girls, because I know curly girls always have lots of questions because no curl strand is the same. So I was on Instagram quite a while ago, let's say like 2 months ago, and I came across this brand that's from the UK, and they are called Curly Box. So what it is a monthly subscription program. I can't remember, I think it's $49 a month for the subscription box. But what it is you get full-size products of curly girl friendly hair products that'll last you for a very, very long time, so you can try out once a month. Like, how is that not cool? I've been on the hunt to find the perfect wash and go product, so I feel like this was perfect for me because I still can't find the perfect wash and go products. So hopefully with this monthly subscription I can find the perfect wash and go. This is what my first box looked like. This is my February box. I did get January as well, but since we're already in March, I don't want to go all the way back to January. Okay, so it comes with a little card like this, and then it just says February Curly Box. And then on the back of the card, it tells you what exactly comes in your subscription box for the month. So this month we got the Noughty Wave Hello products, and that's the products that I am going to be demonstrating for you guys today. We did get the Wave Hello shampoo, conditioner, intensive care leave-in, and curl cream. So I am going to wash my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner, and then I'm going to come back on camera and style my hair for you guys. And then this is the outcome. And then yeah, all my final thoughts will be at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let's jump straight into the box and we'll see what kind of goodies we get to play with. You can see we are starting off in a shower. My hair is wet, and we are going to start off with the Noughty Wave Hello shampoo. So I'm just going to take like a quarter size amount and then just rake that through my hair. I'm starting with the roots, and then I'm going to bring it down to the ends. So this product is described as 97% natural sulfate and silicone free formula that cleanses without stripping your hair. It has vitamin-rich sea kelp extract and avocado oil that helps keep your hair defined. So I'm just gonna do that and I'll be quiet. We rake the shampoo all the way through our ends. You're just going to rinse that out, and that's what I'm doing. Onto conditioner, we are going to take the Noughty Wave Hello conditioner, and this time instead of taking like a quarter size amount, I took like 4 quarter size amounts. I go overboard with conditioner because I just love the way conditioner makes my hair feel. But this conditioner is described as, let's see, it says Wave Hello to super condition soft defined tresses, blended especially for the needs of curly and kinky hair. This high performance silicone free formula includes avocado oil to intensely nourish your hair. So I'm just gonna rake it through, and now I am going to take my Deadman brush just to make sure we get the conditioner through all of my strands. And this to me just makes my hair, it makes my coils super defined. I don't like to use this Deadman brush when I'm styling my hair because it does shrink your hair. Y'all, these products have my hair feeling so soft and just smooth and so tangle free. I'm obsessed currently. So we're just gonna move on. So all I'm about to do now is just rinse this out, and I will see you when we get to styling. So now that we have our makeup done, all I did was wrap my hair with a t-shirt to get some of the water out of it, and it kind of did take away a little bit too much. So I'm just going to section my hair off into sections so it's easier to manage. And then I am just going to re-dampen my hair just a tad. Before I applied the water, I didn't read the bottles, and the bottle did say apply to towel dried hair, but I like to have my hair damp when I'm applying my hair product, so that's why I'm doing this. And my spray bottle does have a little bit of coconut water in it as well. Coconut oil. So our first product that we're going to use to Style Our Hair is a Noughty intensive care leave-in, and it is described as the super crunching blend, including sweet almond extract and argan oil, evens out the hair's moisture level to help protect hair, leaving it stronger for longer. So I pretty much take a quarter size amount for each section and then just run it through the hair. I start at the ends and then move it on up to my roots, and then all you do is just rake it through your hair. Now we're going in with the Noughty Wave Hello Curl Cream, and this one is described as, let's see, Wave Hello to curvaceous defined curls with this nourishing 97% natural styling solution. Use as part of your wash and go and refresh or daily moisturize hair. And I'm just taking another quarter size amount and then raking it through, and the curls look so juicy and like curve-alicious, or curl-alicious is the best word to describe the way my hair looks. My hair looks so nourished and healthy, and I just love the way this looks. So I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can just enjoy the rest of my video. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after it has been diffused and a little bit of like air drying, and I did pick it out a little bit. I just wanted to show you guys this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. I have some volume. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back, what it looks like. I feel like I have a lot of volume for this to be day one hair. That is why I diffused it, because I did want to get some volume in there. I didn't want to wait for it to air dry because I did have somewhere I had to be. So far, I am liking it. My hair looks pretty good. My curl pattern, you can definitely see my curl pattern. The only thing is my hair feels like hard. Like it's not soft or anything. It's like hard and crunchy, which I don't know if it's supposed to feel that way. I do know that the products did say, when I was putting in the leave-in conditioner, it said for me to just do it straight after my hair has been like towel dried. And on one section, well, for the most part of my hair, I did re-wet it because that's just how I like to apply my products. So maybe I did something wrong there, but so far so good. They look pretty cute. I have lots of volume, which I am loving, but my hair looks healthy on camera. It doesn't look dry or anything like that. It doesn't feel the way it looks. There you go, because it looks like shiny and healthy, but when I touch it, it's like, I don't like the way it feels. Guys, it is Friday night, so I did my initial review on this hair 2 days ago. This is what my hair is looking like. It's still not as like fluffy as I want it to be, but as the week go on, it will be. But I love the way she looks. Yesterday I didn't do anything. I left my hair up in a high pineapple, so I got a lot done around the house. I got a job today. I'm so happy about that. This is technically third day hair. This morning when I did refresh it, all I did was take it down from my pineapple, and I just got the leave-in conditioner, mixed that in with a little bit of water, sprayed it, and then just twisted the ends that needed to be retwisted. And then I did my baby hairs and I let that air dry, did my makeup, got ready. And then after they air dried, I didn't diffuse them today. After they air dried, I don't know why I did these, but after they air dried, all I did was take some coconut oil and I separated my curls and just like fluffed it up a little bit, took my pick, fluffed it up. And yeah, this is what she's looking like today. She's so cute. My curls, they look so cute. I'm loving the Noughty products in my hair. They are so cute. I am just waiting for the days to go by because I love 4, 5, and 6 day old hair of a wash and go are my faves. I always try and stretch it out a little bit longer than that, but we're just gonna probably go to 6. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night.